Over the course of designing solutions to chicken and egg problems for many diverse companies across different sectors, I have distilled the basic concepts involved into a single framework. As we move forward, we will look at increasingly diverse strategies, all of which have been extremely successful and are all built off this fundamental single framework. To solve the chicken and egg problem, we need to think of the value of a platform in terms of two components. The first component is the value that exists on the platform when no one uses it. This is called standalone value. The second component of platform value is the value created on the platform through the activity of other users. This is called network value. Network value grows on the platform as other users start using the platform. Let's look at an example of standalone value. Most connected devices that are part of a larger Internet of Things platform attract consumers initially by providing them analytics. For example, think of Jawbone or Nike, which provide users with analytics from their connected products in exchange for the data the users bring on board. This acts as initial standalone value, and because of these analytics, users come on board even when other users are not using the platform. Once the platform has data flows from a certain number of consumers, it brings producers on board, typically fitness and wellness service providers, who wish to target these consumers. In this way, the overall platform ecosystem is created. In this example, the analytics provided to users serves as the initial standalone value before the network of service providers comes on board. Let us now look at network value. In same-sided network effects, every user experiences network value from other users of the same type. For example, the more the number of contacts using WhatsApp, the more value there is for every user who uses WhatsApp. In cross-sided network effects, producers receive network value from consumers and consumers receive network value from producers. For example, more hosts on Airbnb create more accommodation options for travelers, and more travelers create more business for the hosts using the platform. Using this framework of standalone value and network value, we understand that platforms that do not have sufficient standalone value at launch for any type of user, either producer or consumer, will suffer from the chicken and egg problem. The key to solving the chicken and egg problem then is to constantly build up value both in terms of standalone value and network value for producers and consumers over the course of the launch and the growth of the platform. The Platform Value Canvas is a framework that helps us design solutions to the chicken and egg problem. The left side of the canvas lays out value for producers, while the right side lays out value for consumers. The center of the canvas lays out simultaneous strategies which require simultaneous participation by both producers and consumers. The canvas is further broken into 4 sections: standalone value for producers, network value for producers, standalone value for consumers, and network value for consumers. We will use this canvas to map out various strategies that are required to achieve positive network effects. The canvas is especially helpful when planning out sequential strategies for getting producers and consumers onto the platform. In a sequential strategy, an initial hook or incentive is used to attract one side onto the platform and hold them there long enough to create sufficient value to then attract the other side to come on board the platform. Platforms like OpenTable, Instagram, and Mint.com have used this strategy very effectively to create network effects.